nga tsina khutse kumwesi kamakhumi kabili na musafu kumwesi kwe 20 kumwakha kwa 2024 tsigombolola tsingali busa tsitwikhana ingaki we district iye Bulambuli tsafuna buwangafu bwengururwe iyamilakho abandu bakali busa khufwa ibindu ukhwonakisiwa atwela ni bakali busa khuyisiwa.
So this is Masuku village.
Ari khwachenilekho bitula khubisitsa byafuna buwangafu bwengururwe mu district ye Bulambuli khubona ibulamu bwesi babandu bamenyamo ibweneyo lufanyuma lwembuka ye kimiko kibili kimibufu. Mushisitsa she Masuku mugombola iye Buluganya tsitsu tsingali busa itsabanganitseyewa khurura khubisitsa ibyola musafu bibufu abandu bakali busa abasihiwa yadenga bachekhe ababanga barusiwa mu mawumbu khusihiwa bulayi babandu bamenya mu bisitsa bino bamabali akhabasawatsi bashimenya mukhurya yadenga bashikhuwona khurura mukhurya ukhwabanga khurerewawo ni tsingururwe tsino tawe babandi bamabali bashimenya mu shitsa shino lwekhuba government yakhasiwa khubasula atwala ni imbela imbi ili mushifo esi balindila babandu mu kampu iye Bunambutye.
Kusolo Justine ndume kawe Buluganya ikulute ya kumala watu akawa kutwe kulyara kifo kikulimo kibi nabi abe kulute nge kikala aba babyara zimwanyi kunoga zimwanyi ne kunyalise ni gamarote ne kunyalise kudya biri ne kuwa me kulute gos kawa kikulyara leso bileti mabone sambo yeweza yene ilimo weze mbinabi atendi lundi fula iko ilosa kuza kumenya mvula ira amugambe fula bile yabusaga andi yemezi geza gizura mukulutie gana kwarambe sambo yekola kino kwarambe sambo yekumenya yekugana basa iga no kugona bubi kabisa leso bileti ngagameti kikuyamba kukwirosera kukola kino ikulutie infula kwirosera likumalo subira kali gameti kuyedile ikutusawo iza kwako bifo bindi kunyalisa limenyamu enga gobora kukola gobora kulima maswa gene gaki
kale tukulange sikulute kukola yeza ita baku government yakudimela tukulange kudimela ko yamaya kulakao ngudo namba kama bana mabone sikudo nje yesi ya boda kudimamo kale kelinda ina nayo kale ba kwa program ikuyengusa bakwire ndio watu wala bayira ko bala still bakiro bakibando ngakale kale nakizanga promise za mwati kuna kolaki kuna chikolako kale kajoba na nimbera ya chao cyane kifana giti ambase mabene mabone ngule kale biswali no efe kusubira kuti ange kulvatu bekuchalo kuno tufana la chalo chefe kino nebula kabuzo kulindi ekobula mwapo twandi maswage efe gachina kusigalenga kudia mabino dia mausa bitu
nga wemenyeresere mushitsa shino ubona balimi abandi bakubola khulimirawo era babyala imwanyi ni kamatore iliwo busa tsitsu tsishiliwo njekhesiri tsitsola ambi tsibili khutabula khutsitaru tsishilama mushitsa shino bitwela khubyombakhe bichekhe bishilama mushifo shino niyo lilekelo lya Bumasugu Primary School. Ali khwilekelo lino abana nibo bayikhalanga bali meso era khusinzila khubasomesa khwilekelo lino ukhwama ingururwe yakwawo ali nibo kasi babonakho khabonelo khefula khositsana abe yakhabasa ndwela iye kumutikhini basibula babana bela ingo.
One, we have put a measure that whenever it comes to rainy season like it has started. First of all is when we see rain is coming, we dismiss these children, the staffs will move to our homes and move to safer places. That is the first measure we have put, because we can't be in classes when it is raining, when it has started raining. That one we have said, that is a measure, a safety measure. Because the thing can come and bury all of us here because we don't know next. So that is the first measure we have said. When it comes to rains, we send these children away. If it rains like for a full week and it is March, we just inform the district authorities and we suspend the school for some time. If it is March, you have seen it, the gravity is March, but it is too much. There we just inform the authorities, and then because they have also given us that when it is too much, please send the children home and we go to safer places.
Byekiminyawo khumalekelo kali ingaki nayo byakosasiwa lwekhuba ali khushafusa ali nga Shabumasugu Primary School lufanyuma lwengulu lwekhukwawo mwetsula lutumbi atwala ni kamabale ne paka sawa tsino bashikhubanga bashiteresa tsakatawe isikhwachanila khwilekelo lino khwatuyanga abana bakhwilengekhalengekhala kamasindano ketsindimo era bano lufanyuma lweshisawe shawe khukhwonakisiwa ni bali batimanga babotokhela bibina mukhafu khachekhe akhalikhibwa khwilekelo lyawe.
We are trying our best to see that we find space that children can run. You can see they are running, passing by the church, the school buildings. So you don't have a clear field. The field was taken. We were promised that probably in the future they may come and maybe bring an excavator and put the thing right. So we are still waiting for that. How best they can conserve the environment to avoid future risks. Better methods of farming, avoiding deforestation, planting trees, and other methods that can help avoid the disasters in the future.
Byenjenda mu district ino nebyo bitwera bishibanga bisumbwa babekhali iweneyo khwama engululwe kwawo ali babekhali bama bali bulalo bwawe bufura bukali bwafunikhaka era paka sawa zino bushikhung'one watawe ishindu shibalelele buwangafu munjenda iye bibindu babandu atwani abana ukhwila khumalekelo.
The bridge was taken away by water, and so our coffee, lands, and the bananas were taken. But since that day, government has been promising us that we are going to pay a compensation for the people who were affected. But up to now, they have kept promising us, and nothing have happened. As you see, the bridge is gone. We are suffering. I wish you could have come here when the rain is there. It was a lot of problems. So we hope that government will come up quickly as we are entering in the season of rain to help us. As people of border borders, we are suffering. Transporting goods, it is a problem. And the children going to school, there is no way because the road is broken. As you see, our life is at risk because anytime those hoods are going to be broken. Actually, they were broken. We just repaired them recently again to ease our transport, as you can see. Since that day, the local leaders have been promising us that government is going to come up with the decision of repairing the bridge. But
kukubira kengazi lyanja yasebwa obulala bwambuka kutulambu omusente ne gwokadala obe masoko neze kwigombolo yanya yatsoye obulala obwo yasoye bridge andi yika still undi zema yageza kona yezema kayitulera atana neze gano ndizule mare yama yatsoye ni bridge no kino ifra bengali nabiruna kuro neze gizwa magali nabi ekama yakasoye bridge no kiri kanange bridge ne kwasi enga be yamenya myaka migari Eluna kulomezi gaba maiti funa biyeze niki misala. Bifura yekula misala ku Gilwana kutura kunezi. Ni gamabara ni gama gasowe na bridge no tin. Bridge no yakarika. Kwengenda kakuri naye bitu byo kulima byadiba. Kangeri yebigendamo. Efabene kugenda kugwaza ibitu biko batu bagwa paka bamenye kabala bigere bari marwalo. We sambo yene bridge no yaburaga. Yakusaba kuti government mange yandi kurede. Yakole bridge no ya kusamo. Obetso kwa ikusiro kwene kuturo obayisa wene kanenye nyene bonengeri yesi ngene gikoremo kusiramo obe kore kweleo anga aziko nabi awenya yakuredera enga kwa koso amanga utura bridge ne karcha abiri munya mwese gwe likumuna go naguberaho kutusangevu angezema basone banini le kuri kina badabure kuruguro rwa maru twapetunyi nabazire ko katano transport benga linabi kuri kwa abana kina naraba bitu yesi kusubira hasi isausi hinga kakaga 15 sai bari kusubira bitwaro gibikisese aboniye butu gwese kufone
Mugombola iye simu nayo kimikhosi kishirama mumbera imbi neshifura khuwamba khubano ndilikange olimanyikhanenga bujibologoto Health Center 3 no lyabanga lyona kisiwani tsingururwe nimo muli nitsutse basawu natso tsabanga nitseyewa nga watiyeyo sawa tsimushifo shino mudonga wakhuboyela ali kama umbukese khubonaho kaba ketsutse basawu nyira wata khufukilisa tawe ali sawa tsino likangilo lyabanga lishusiwa yalirambira khushirebe shikhulu shegombola iye simu isi babekhali belotsa bali bubwakanisi bushiramanga bushili bubi nabi lwe kwitsula khwe abandu nga khafo mwesi batakhufuna buyeti bwe bukangi ikhamala tawe. Kulia niyo khusisitsa shemasuku isi ingururwe yakhala mumwakha kwa 2020 mwezi kwa 2021 ali sawa atiambi kimyakha kibili kimibufu kibirirewo ne imbera ishiriri shifo shino ili wabandu abandi abakhileho kubulangani balima ne buwangafu bwe abandu abarame sibashakanana niyo buwangafu bwenjenda imbi nikamalekeo na kama kali sawa ati kasomera khumbere khali ya bushetawe lwe kuba buli mundu aba weyemberere sawa ati shifo shino shirishiri era khushisubira khuri kasa government imalilisa khuyasula abandu babura mushishanyo nyakhubanga lesho batakubanga bongera moshi etarundi ndi abandu bakharamenga bamenyeno ali sawa ati imbere lino shikanwa mu government khubanga niyeta lwe huwa buwangafu bwe kamani bwese babanda abarameno bashakanana isederi kwerani ano Ibumasuku.